Often you would come across digital profiles or portfolio websites built by individuals and you say to yourself, how do they do that? Well, in today's video, I'm going to cover exactly that, which is how to build a digital portfolio website using GitHub pages absolutely free. But wait, first let's understand the fact that why do you need a digital profile at all? You would already have a resume that's comprehensive, or you would also have a LinkedIn profile that's stellar. And that's great. However, if you think about it, GitHub is a platform where your work does the talking. It showcases your code that you have written, your projects, and above all, your exceptional skills of documenting your work. So in a nutshell, GitHub is the place where your project shines, your contribution dazzles, and recruiters come digging for data tech gold here. And the best part, building your digital profile on GitHub is absolutely free. I hope I have motivated you enough. So on this note, let's get started. Alright, let's get down to business. Your first step is to unlock your free GitHub page. It's like getting your own personal website. Here are the steps to do it. First of all, log into your GitHub account. If you don't have one, create it now. Trust me, it's super quick and easy. Once you are logged in, click the new button on the top right corner of your dashboard, which is this. Now from the drop-down menu, select new repository. I'll click on that. Now here's the magic part. Name your repository exactly as your username.github.io and replace this username part with your actual username, which is this. In my case, my username is Gopal-AV, so I'll choose that. And description you may leave blank for now. And just check this box, add a README file. Now just go ahead and create your repository. And boom, you have just unlocked your free GitHub page. Now to see how your website looks like, just copy this URL and paste it in a new tab. I'll do that. And this is how it looks. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful blank canvas waiting to be filled with your data tech masterpieces. Remember, this free page is hosted at your username.github.io, which means anyone can visit it by simply typing this URL into their browser. It's your personal corner on the internet, powered by GitHub's awesomeness. Now, in the second step, we are going to learn how to transform this blank canvas into your online portfolio website where you can showcase your projects, important links, and attract the attention of potential employers. For writing the text, we'll be using ChatGPT to create our first draft quickly. Here's the step-by-step guide for doing this. First of all, copy the text from your resume. Just copy it. By the way, this is a dummy resume that I'm using for Nilanjan Paul, who is exploring job opportunities in the software engineering domain right now. Alright, once you have copied the text from your resume, paste it in a notepad file and structure it well so that it is easy to understand by a large language model the way I have done it. Another point, if you don't have a resume, you may go to your LinkedIn profile and copy your profile text from there. If you face any issue doing that, do let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out on that. Anyways, once you have structured your profile detail in a notepad document, next comes writing a prompt for ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that I have written. Within this, we are asking ChatGPT to write a markdown code for us, capturing important details from our resume text. Within this prompt, resume text is to be provided between these three backticks. Just replace this text highlighted in red with your structured resume text that you may have prepared in your notepad file. Alright, I'll just copy this entire prompt, feed it to ChatGPT, and this resume text part I'll pick from here. Let me do that. Alright, we are good to go. Let's generate the markdown code for us. Now all we have to do is to copy this markdown code output provided by ChatGPT and put it into our GitHub repo README. So for this, I'll go back to the repository we have created and I'll edit my README. And under this, I'm going to delete this existing text and replace it with the text generated by ChatGPT. Let's see what we get. Now, once we have done that, it takes a couple of minutes for your portfolio website to get published on this URL with this updated information. If you want to check the publishing status in the meantime, go to this Action tab within GitHub where you will see the live updates. Alright, the status has turned into green. Now let's reload our blank canvas. And as you can see, our portfolio website is created. Now remember, this is just a first draft of your portfolio website. To get ideas on further enhancement of your profile, here's a GitHub repo that you may keep in handy. This repo has a bunch of portfolio pages for you to take inputs from. I'll put a link to this repo link in the description part of this video, so do check out for that. Now, of course, you may tweak this markdown code that we have prepared for ourselves by taking inputs from these reference pages. For example, you may include more information on your profile page, like these icons that depicts your technical skills, or this GitHub profile activity visualizer. Sky is the limit, really. For more details on Markdown, here's a cheat sheet from our Analytics Vidhya blog that captures all the necessary details that you would need for making amendments to your Markdown code. So guys, do share a link to your portfolio website that you have created in the comment section below. We'll review them for you and share feedback if there is any. Now, this was just Markdown. You may do much more with GitHub pages. For example, you may actually transform them into a full-fledged static website or a blog using frameworks like Jekyll or Hugo, which are absolutely free as well. If you are curious to know about that, type yes, YES in the comment section below and we'll do a part 2 of this particular video for you. So that's all we had for you today. Hope you got to learn something valuable from it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.